Okay, I'm in Safeway, Leadville Safeway, the newly remodeled restroom next to the pharmacy. The camera is 40 foot inside the sewer line, and what you're looking at right now is the vertical drop into another part of the plumbing system. So it's a vertical drop you're looking at. I'm going to pull back and I'm going to show you what I think is the problem and what's been causing the repeated backups on this toilet. A little bend there. So you can see the bottom of the pipe is the top of the screen. And you can see the standing water. I believe this is the low spot in the pipe, or a belly, or a dip in the pipe, and so there's a permanent lake inside the sewer line. And so when sewer solids gets flushed, they hit the lake, slow down, and deposit here instead of get flushed down the system. Then someone else uses it again, another blob of sewer solids gets deposited. And actually there is a clean out. Wow, that's pretty good. It looks like a clean out. Whether that's buried under linoleum, I don't know, but there's kind of at 8 o'clock, there was a little greenish there, right there. A greenish thing on the bottom left of the screen is a clean out cap. The camera lens is about 1.5 inches off the bottom of the floor. It's a 3-inch line, and it's in this low spot. Now we're starting to get out of it. Okay, now we've pulled out of the low spot. This is in fact and the clog was just huge volume of paper that I had to slurry up, break up, slurry up, and flush out. And that is very indicative of a clog problem, just like this. So paper comes down, water dissipates and drains slowly. This most probably is a low-use restroom right now, and so maybe an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours later, someone else comes and uses the toilet. More paper comes in, the water fills up the line, and then half an hour or so, 20 minutes, slowly dissipates and drains itself. But leaves the paper in the line, and that keeps going on until one day there's so much paper in that line that it creates the clog and an actual backup, and then it backs up either in the toilet or in this case the floor drain next to the toilet, which is the low spot in the line. And this line here is, it's all cast iron, but it's actually pretty good. So there's some backed up sewer solids from another part of the system. We're dropping down into a Y, and whatever that other leg of the Y is probably not used, or if it's used, it's very seldom used. And so when this line backs up from the 34, 38 foot mark, sewer solids will go up in the second part of the Y. Maybe there was a old toilet, maybe there was 2 toilet systems here, but that's what that is from. So again, that water gets flushed, it gets slurried around at this point, slows down its momentum with its solids that it's carrying, so again that's not user friendly either, as opposed to say a straight 90 or 45 degree bend. So this is the new splice from the PVC into the original cast iron, and this is going to be part of this remodel. There's another Y, so something else comes in, maybe that's the sink line or something, and this is brand new and looks very good. There's another why. Maybe that is a sink line coming in, or it could be a vent preventing the system, one or the other. There's something else right there. And that's pretty much it. So the problem is that low spot that might be able to be graded, but that's going to be digging up the floor, locating that spot, and looking at that feasibility. If you want any further questions about this video, please call. This is Ace Sewer and Drain. My name is Chaz. Friday, the 11th of January. I'm in Safeway in Leadville, in the restroom next to the pharmacy. Our telephone number is 970-485-1741. Bye-bye.